is free. You were born with a free will. It was given to you as your birthright. And the free will that you have is the willingness to be who you want to be, what you want to be, when you want to be, and how you want to be it. I choose to be positive. I choose to be my brother's keeper. I choose to be my sister's keeper, friend, healer. What do you choose for your life? Do you have a plan for the family that you have created? Do you want to lead your next generation in the right direction? Or do you want to see them go down the same path as you did? If you do not want your next generation, your offspring, to go down the same path and suffer the same fate of hardship and tribulation, what are you doing to lift your offsprings, your next generation that will advance? Are you contributing to the advance of your offsprings? What are you doing to contribute to that advancement? Make sure so they have food to eat and buy the latest name brand clothes for them and a roof over their head. Is that enough? Are you doing enough to raise your children's awareness so that they can see more further than the tip of their nose? I choose to make a choice, and my choice is to use my free will for the best of my life and for my children's life. You may ask, oh you go on like you're better than nobody, or you did born perfect. I am fully aware that I was not born perfect in this world. I know that the only thing to bring me close to perfection is practice. Therefore, I practice to be a good member of my community. I practice to be the best parent I can be. I practice to become the best version of myself. Therefore, with practice, every day I learn, and every day I am one step close to perfection. Whenever I make a mistake, I accept it, make my corrections. If ever I should fall, I pick myself up and I continue my way forward, because nothing will stop me in pursuit of becoming the best version of myself. Yes, I owe it to me. I owe it to myself. And so do you. Do you wish the best for yourself? Do you wish the best for your children? Do you wish the best for your community? Do you wish the best for your country as I do? Heights of great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight. There while their companions slept, they were upward toiling through the night. Yes, I forever know my task, and my task is one that I will carry out in the most efficient manner, with discipline, with integrity, and the best of me and what I can offer to enhance my next generation, to boost them forward with strength of mentality, with strength of determination, with an idea of who they are, so that they can begin to identify themselves. Am I a madman? You think say me I lose my mind? Me crazy to think that I can make an impact so large that it may even awaken the dark souls of this generation and make them begin to see the light that shines deep within themselves, the light that they should not keep in the dark, but forever let their light shine through all, shine through every and anything that tries to stumble and cripple them forever. You deserve better. Yes, you have the might, you have the vigor, you have the confidence. It was given to you at birth. It is your birthright. It is for you to awake your consciousness. Begin to realize that you have everything you ever need in this life to advance, to survive, to prosper, to love, overcome hate. Begin to love yourself and therefore share that love with others. Yes, you have it in you to overcome any obstacle that you are experiencing. Like most of you, I was not born with a gold spoon in my mouth. Growing up, I had a very rough and hurt childhood. While I was experiencing all the hurt, the drama, the confusion, it awakened something deep inside of me. It had me questioning everything around me. The very moment I started to acknowledge my environment and the people thereof, it was then I realized something was not right, because the hurt was so deep and no one seemed to understand why they continued the hurt. You may say that they were nuts of the awareness that their actions had a negative impact on a child who were looking for the guidance from them. Did they not care? Do you care? If you care, turn and look at your child. Your child is depending on you to exercise that leading example, with self-esteem, with morality, with integrity, with pride. Don't you dare give up now. Now is not the time for you to give up on yourself. Now is not the time for you to give up on your children. Because if you do, your generations to come will suffer. Now is not the time to give up on your relationship. Because with a good family foundation, it can be used as a springboard to exercise love in the simplest of ways. Simplicity is the most of everything that matters a lot. Find pleasure in the simplest of things. Remember that a smile can lift your spirit and take you throughout a very hectic day. Always remember to share a smile with your children. Always remember to share a smile with your lover. Always remember to share a smile with your friend. Are you not tired of the hurt, the pain, the confusion, the drama? Then do something about it. Make a change, and it begins with practice. Take that one step as if it is your first step as a child. Yes, we are still taking baby steps in our lives. Those baby steps are what we need to advance into a running motion. So continue taking those baby steps until you can run, until you can fly. The possibilities are there and they are endless. Possibilities have no limits. It stops nowhere in a stop a one-man yard. You have the ability to do whatever. You just got to put your mind to it. Start practice what you believe in. If you believe in better, better is what you must create with your actions, with every energy of your body. He who know the right and still they practice the wrong, you now contribute to a better nation. He who is afraid to stand up and say, me no want to do this no more because this no right. You are weak and you are not in control of your own destiny. Yes, you can overcome fear. You can overcome peer pressure. Don't make them force you to be a bad man. Don't make them stress you out. Yes, with free will, everybody do what they want to do. Guess what? You set in a your one way. Me not talk to you. Me a talk to the youth. What needs somebody to tell him say yes, he can make a change for the better youth that you me a talk to. Yes, me believe in you. You can make a change for the better in your life. Not because you come from the ghetto and you grow rough and nobody never care for you and then deal with you like dog. That no mean say you become dead like your father because your father dead as a bad man. That no mean say you become take up the same badness trend. Badness and not something where you fi pick up you put it down. It a kill off the nation of people. And the last time I checked, the number one resource in any country, a human resource. So stop kill off our natural human resources. You are tear down the very fiber of our nation. Badness and not something to pick up, put it down. Law-abiding citizen of Jamaica. Law-abiding citizen of this beautiful island. People, stop from living in fear. Fear is the factor that they use to control us. Overcome fear. Don't make the bad man them take over your community. Full time we take back the country. Full time we take back my country. Our country. Feel replace negative energy. Cut and clear. Negative energy. Cut and clear. Negative energy. Cut and clear. May I declare a better Jamaica. May I declare a nation of people call themselves Jamaican who understand which part them they in a life and know what to do to make things better. Rise. Stand up and take your place, our place, Fury ground, Jamaica, land we love. You see all of the father them a breed the woman them and God left their responsibility. And all of the woman them what they give birth to the pitney them and don't know the first thing about being a parent. All of the leaders them was supposed to lead but now set no good example. All the members of the Jamaica Police Force who took a oath to serve and protect us, yet they are deep in corruption. All the parents who knows that their children are mass murderers, gunmen, carrying out all type of bad and negative influence in and around the community and not doing anything about it. You are all contributing to the madness.
Artists will stop trying to please people and start sing and teach people. Deliver more message to the people and stop think evil. The messenger then can't get feeble. What some a bun them adapt from the people. Reggae music them gang with the vehicle. Dance all just a say what them feel too.
Viewers and subscribers, I just want to express my sincere gratitude for your view. Continue to view the Justin Blake channel. As a matter of fact, subscribe, click the notification bell. Never forget to leave a comment. Share this with everybody in your contact list. Until next time, walk good.